Hello, my name is Marco Mohwinckel. I am a healthcare biotech pharma executive. I'm an advisor and an investor in health technology companies as well. There's been several changes in healthcare over the last 5 to 10 years. Clearly, the advent of technology, data sciences, greater sensoring capabilities, and a lot of computing power has allowed to essentially better diagnose, better treat a wide range of different conditions. And healthcare has also been deployed to improve the healthcare delivery and access to healthcare overall. Clearly, there's been incredible advances in the genomic space, in the proteomic space. We have seen a great advancement in the treatment of cancer. I would be remiss to forget also the advances in vaccines, and particularly the speed at which vaccines have been developed and approved and made available to fight the pandemic. So I think it's been an incredible 5 to 10 years, but of course there's still a lot more to do, and one area that I think is a bit neglected and should require more investment is the space of mental health. Yeah, over the last few decades, I would say 2 to 3 decades, we had historically low interest rates, and that meant that money was cheap and investors were willing to take greater risks with their investments. That is now changing. Over the last couple of years, we have seen a slowdown in the economic growth. We have seen an increase in inflation, and many of the companies that the investors have backed have been struggling, particularly those that were not profitable. So there's a greater shift now towards focusing on profitability, and of course there is a greater shift on supporting by investors to support portfolio companies that are struggling. So net new investments are a bit penalized by that. But entrepreneurs should not despair. I mean, there's still plenty of money available out there for good ideas, good solutions that have potential, that are solving real needs and real problems, and entrepreneurs that can show that there is a willingness to pay and a willingness to buy for these solutions will certainly not have a problem in getting financed. The European healthcare sector, but I would say the healthcare sector overall, and I would argue our entire lives will be fundamentally transformed by the growth of artificial intelligence and how we are all embedding artificial intelligence in our lives. And healthcare is no exception to that. I really believe that artificial intelligence will change the way we deliver healthcare, the way we access healthcare, the way we consume healthcare. It can really lead to huge breakthroughs in ways that are, at this stage, possibly also unimaginable. But it is an exciting time to be in healthcare and to embrace new technologies. So entrepreneurs that are solving real problems, that have good solutions and can prove that there is a willingness to pay for their solutions by their target customers, will have no problem in raising money. There's plenty of cash still available out there, and I would argue that right now in this crisis, we have greater opportunities to invest in breakthrough technologies at reasonable valuations, in fact. So I think entrepreneurs should be looking at solving real problems, targeting the right investors, but also appreciate that maybe in healthcare it takes a bit longer to build businesses, and I would encourage all entrepreneurs to seek not only right investors but also right partners, and particularly consider that collaboration is key to really scaling businesses in this space. TechTour is an amazing community of like-minded people, entrepreneurs, investors, corporate executives, passionate about solving big problems, and being part of it is a privilege, and we are looking forward to working with TechTour and the ecosystem to further innovation. First of all, I wish TechTour a happy 25th birthday, and I would argue that this is just the beginning. There's so much more to do. I would wish Tech Tour to continue growing healthily, but without losing that agility and entrepreneurial spirit and high quality that has always characterized the people in the community as well as the events that Tech Tour organizes.